DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. Okay, I got new shoes on here now, but I wanted to go over a few things. Now, this drum here that I took off had a big groove on it right here, so it wouldn't come off. And that can happen if you wait too long and take it down to metal. But at any rate, even if you don't, and this applies to all brake shoes, you need to undo this adjuster to bring these things in, okay, before you try to take it off. And again, the way you do it is, at least on a Honda Fit, is you stick, there's a little oblong hole back here. You stick something in here and push this spring back, okay? You'll feel that. And then you also have to stick a screwdriver in here. If I can get it in. Okay, and actually this one you even have to angle it a little bit because, you know, you can see it there. But what you need to do is bring this wheel, and the way you remember which way to do it is up, okay? The back end of the screwdriver needs to go up. In other words, loosen up, okay? So you push this in, and then you can turn this wheel, okay, with the screwdriver. Unless you push that clip back, you won't be able to do it this way. So the back end goes up, okay? So, and then you'll be able to turn this wheel. You see it turning? That means up. Back end goes up. And that'll turn this wheel in the right direction to bring these fucking shoes in. And like I said, this hole back here, here's a little rubber covering on it. Take that out. And I don't know what they did, is it's oblong hole, but if you just stick it in here, it's straight. That's the end of the hole there. Okay, so you actually gotta, you know, get over there to this side. On the other side, it's on this side. Okay, on the other side. On the other side, the hole is for the wheel. Okay. The wheel is, I already put the cover on, but you see how it's here, and you actually got to tilt the screwdriver this side. This is the right side, okay? And just remember that the back of the screwdriver goes up, okay? That turns this wheel that way. Yeah, because if the back of the screwdriver goes up, the front goes down, so you need to turn it that way to get it to loosen up enough to where you can get the fucking drum off. Alright, so I'm going to put this back. I'm going to put this drum back on. And you got to adjust it. So like right now, these are brand new shoes. Let's see where I'm at. I might have adjusted it too much already. Yeah, I went too far. Now, what you can do is make sure these are moving around a little bit. If you can get the drum on. Okay, the drum's on, okay, and it spins, but it's dragging, right? A little bit. And once you get this drum on, go inside the car and hit the brakes. And what that'll do is it will align those shoes, okay? Alright, so this thing's spinning real good now, right? Well, what you want is you want a little bit of drag. So I'm going to turn this wheel this way, okay, to spread these shoes out, to adjust them. Straight screwdriver probably works better here. And you just turn this wheel, see it, like that. Okay, and you keep doing it until when you put the drum on, it's dragging a little bit. Okay, so let's try it again. See, it's still spinning free, so it needs more adjustment. So then we just do it some more. Okay, until that wheel drags. Hold up the shoe with one hand. And this is the automatic adjuster. That's what this thing does. When you back up and you slam on the brakes, that'll try to turn it. And of course, if the shoes are up against the drum, it's not going to be able to. But so we got to adjust this thing until we get some dragage. Jesus. Well, just want to go a few turns. Let's see where we're at. Jesus Christ. There. It's still real loose. So I'm going to keep doing that and adjusting it until this thing drags. And when it starts dragging a little bit, I'll hit the brakes to even them out and then do it some more. Okay, so that's how you adjust them before you button it up and put your tire back on. Okay, if you go too far, which I just did, you got to go the other way, and then you do the loosening, which means you got to pull this clip back, okay? And you got to go this way on the wheel, which is what you do in the back. When your wheels goes up, this goes down, and you adjust it in. Let's see where we're at. Okay, you can hear it dragging a little bit, so let's even them out. Step on the brakes. Dragging a little bit. I want it to drag a little bit more, so I'm going to give it one click or two clicks. There's 2 clicks. Let's see where we're at. Okay, it's dragging. You hear it? That's what you want. You want that fucker to drag. Let's even them out one more time. Let's see if it's still dragging. Okay, so there you go. So that one's ready to be buttoned up. Put the wheel back on. But before we do that, I'm going to bleed them. And I don't know if I'm even going to do that. There's so many fucking videos out there on bleeding brakes. But I'm going to, actually I'm going to bleed the other side first. But we don't need this. Put your little rubber booty back on. In the back. Cover up that hole. Okay. Yeah. So now your brakes are adjusted. And for the initial. If you want to adjust them, just back up, get up to about 10-15 miles an hour and hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, and that'll make that adjuster turn as much as it can to get the brakes as close to the shoe as you can, so you'll have good brakes. Alright, I'm going to go bleed them. I don't think I'm going to video that. Maybe I will. Parts of it. I don't know. Shit. Onward and upward. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus, you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.